everyone, so welcome to Life in the Valley. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please go ahead and do that, help us out a lot. So today I'm just going ahead. It's a beautiful Saturday here. I've been off for a while, so I've been milling some spruce and some balsam and that. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and work on the sawmill shed here today. Try to get it all framed for the weekend here, well, by the end of the weekend, and yeah, get a plastic roof on it for now, keep the weather off the mill and be able to mill on rain days and work on it and whatnot. We're back to dirt work on Monday, putting the fiber in the ground, so that's a good thing. Well, I'll go ahead and show you what I got going on here. So I got the handy dandy 810 out, blew everything off, and went ahead and stacked some 2x4s and 2x6s and stuff like that. 16, 14, 10s, and 12s, and 8s. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. This is, I believe, 12 feet wide by 25 feet long. So I'm gonna run an 8-foot wall down the back side here. I believe it should be tall enough. And then I'm gonna probably run a 12-foot wall, or like opening, sorry, on this side down over here. So should be okay. I have a good lean on her. Yeah, so gonna go ahead and start on that and start framing it. I gotta cut all the ends straight on these, handy dandy chop saw, and probably start framing this back wall. I want to have 2 big windows here and here, kind of like barn doors I can swing open, and have those so I can swing them open. And on the end here, a little chute for the sawdust. I'm gonna have a little track that runs along here, and I can just kind of shovel it all out and blow it out type of deal. And over on the end wall here, I'm gonna have another door, throw slabs and all that type of stuff out. So should be good. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna try to do this all in like one video type of deal, the framing, and then like the finishing in another video. So yeah, keep it short and sweet. Talk to you guys in a bit. Hey everyone, so I'm getting a little chilly here. I'm gonna run in and grab a jacket here, but I'll show you what I got going on. Here's my little cutting station. I just cut stuff, throw it over there to length because it's rough cut. I gotta cut at either side, make it flush, you know, all that good stuff. And then I got these walls stood up. I gotta finish framing windows in these, but I figured by myself it'd be a lot easier to stand up without that in it for now. So and then in here I'm gonna put in a bunch of 4x4s and stuff and make like a pulley system where I can drive out with the tractor and pull the log on. And yeah, I'm just gotta finish up that end little wall, and then probably gonna cut out the ends, and then it'll probably be supper time. And Alyssa wants to really help with it, so let her help do the end walls and stuff like that, and the big beam across the front, the rafters. And yeah, hopefully get it pretty well wrapped up tomorrow, but not done yet here today. We'll see what we can get done. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Anyway, got a jacket on here now. We'll go ahead and see what we can get done. So I'm just putting the last couple nails in this wall. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stand her up, see how that goes, and then probably call it a day. Supper time. Had a couple people come out and buy lumber today, and had to move all this and finish sawing this. I had to saw some cherry too before I could start this. So yeah, been a pretty productive day, I'd say. One person. I got all this spruce cut to the mill and then milled
in 2 days, I believe. So that's pretty good, if I do say so myself. So that's the end of this wall. Just gonna get her packed in place here.
So that's probably gonna wrap it up here for the day. Gotta clean up some tools and stuff like that yet. Got an early start tomorrow morning, but get that window framed in, this window framed in, get all my 4x4s in here for the pulley system to draw the logs up, and yeah, should be good. Gotta make those side walls as well, and get the beam across up here so I can make the roof, put all the rafters and stuff in, put the roof on. But yeah, I hope it turns out. It's pretty big, so I hope it turns out pretty good. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun build. I'm gonna have to make myself some better log bunks here too once the ground unfreezes, put some posts in the ground, all that good stuff. But yeah, good day. Well, we'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. Hope you guys all have a great night. Morning, everyone.
Hey, everyone.
Well, we're gonna start working on the sawmill shed here and hopefully get everything finished up and get the end walls done and get the beam across and get the rafters on. Got Alyssa here helping me this morning.
Oh yeah.
This should go a little bit quicker, hopefully.
We'll see.
Anyway, well, we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So my grandfather came and paid us a visit, and then we had to get our expert supervisor Hank here, #1 mill hand.
Oh yeah.
So that wall's up. We're gonna go ahead and build this wall, put it up, and then probably work on the beam going across, see how that goes. Well, we'll talk to you guys in a bit. So Alyssa's went in, she's getting ready for work there. She's a nurse at a retirement home there in town. Come here, Hank, this way, come on. Hank's just tangled up here, guys. Sorry, gotta get him undone. There we go. Anyway, yeah, she's a nurse in town there, so she's getting ready for work. But I went ahead and got some posts in place. 2 posts on either side there. I gotta build the main post to go across there now, and probably put up some supports on the other side, kind of like a fork to hold it in place while I get it up. And then, yeah, go from there. Yeah, we obviously got the wall, these 2 side walls up, and all that good stuff. Well, we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I got these beams in place, there and over there. I'm just trying to lift this up and put it in place. It's pretty heavy though. I'm just gonna wait until Alyssa comes out so she can put a board under it and hold it up in place somewhat until I can get up on the ladder, lift it up the rest of the way. Then probably come to this side and lift it up the rest of the way. So we'll see how it goes. Basically now that I have that up, I'm gonna go ahead and start running my rafters type of deal and get some plastic on for now at least. It looks like it's gonna start raining here soon. Then I can start framing in my doors and my windows and all that good stuff. So let's get her at her before this rain hits. Hey everyone.
Hey.
We're out here again today. I ran out of 2x6s. Anyway, instead of running to the store, what we usually do around here is I'm gonna go out to the bush here, find a log and put her on the mill. We only need think it's 5 more rafters, 12 foot long, so should get that out of this log hopefully. Anyway, time to get at her.
Well, we just finished milling up our handy dandy log there for the last of our few rafters we got left to put up.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So excited.
Anyway.
Yeah, I got a couple 2x6x12s run off to finish that up, and then start framing these windows and stuff like that, and doors, and probably put some poly up on the roof. And I want to bring an edge down across here like 2 feet. I'll probably just put studs up and then cover that with poly for now. Keep most of the rain out till we get a chance to put board and batten and tin on the roof. Should be good.
Let's do it.
So we managed to get all the rafters on the roof. We're gonna go ahead and frame in the doors and windows, and then put our front little wall across the top here, and then probably just cover it all with plastic for now, and hopefully beat this rain. Well, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So basically, we got those windows framed. We're working on these doors. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip these down into 1x2 to hold the plastic on, and we'll be left over with some 2x4s to make this lip hopefully, and then put some plastic on it once we get these done too. Well, we'll talk to you guys soon. Hey everyone, it's a little late now, but we ended up getting all the plastic up and all that good stuff, and well, it's probably about 9 o'clock now. I think we're gonna call her a day.
Time for bed.
Yeah. As you guys can see though, plastic on the roof for now and plastic on one wall. Alyssa's gonna go ahead, she said, and put plastic on this wall and along here and over here for me tomorrow.
Sounds good.
So yeah, we'll talk to you guys later.
Hey everyone, how are ya? Hope all is well. Tom went to work with Corey today, so I'm gonna go finish the plastic on the sawmill shed. Just the siding and the little lip at the top. But I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride and see what we can do.
Hey, so how's everyone today? Hope all is well. Just trying to get the sawmill shed closed in here. I was at work the other day. Alyssa went ahead and did one wall for me in the front here. But yeah, I still have the one wall to do, and I have to add some braces and all that good stuff yet. So I have to add that wall. Gonna add a bunch of braces all up in here and here. Probably make a little bit of a wall come out there possibly, and maybe come out here a little bit because yeah, help brace that up some more. And won't affect the mill any. So yeah, probably adds the rest of my 4x4s and stuff in here, and I'm gonna make a pulley system. I gotta make a log deck here yet too, but and finish my sawdust chute. But I'm gonna have a rope I can wrap around the logs here that'll run to a pulley here that I can have run out to here somewhere type of deal, and I can just pull the massive logs, like the great big ones, up onto the mill with the tractor, and not have to use a loader or anything. And it'll just roll the logs up right onto the mill. And for the sawdust chute here, I'm gonna make like a little channel type of thing, and it's gonna go over and run out this door, so I can just take the backpack blower or even a shovel and just run it all out the end here, and just be able to pick it up out the end. And then that's for just a big door. Throw slabs out of. I'll probably throw slabs from here. I usually use that wagon that's over there to throw slabs into, but I stacked a bunch of stuff onto it until the snow melted. So yeah, gotta get that unloaded and get those cut up and cleaned up. But yeah, so far so good. Just got plastic on it for now. Got a little bit of board and batten right there, but I have to go back to the bush once it dries up, get a bunch more, mill it all up. I want to do that other like my shop type of thing right there too, and board and batten. But yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and probably put this wall up, start on some braces and all that good stuff. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I went ahead and got that plastic tacked on. It started to rain on me again, so I decided to come back inside here. Gonna add some braces up across here and here. And yeah, you can see my sketchy jack setup, but yeah, it works. But I'm gonna get that braced up, add some braces up in here in the corners, and probably add some more 4x4s in there for the winch system, like I said. And probably go from there and see how that goes. Well, let's get at her. So went ahead and got this in. I'm gonna go ahead and add corner braces wherever I can, along here and there, just everywhere. And then see where I can go from there. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I went ahead, got a corner brace on there, brace across here, and a little guy up there for now. I'm gonna turn around and do the same on this side, and keep you guys updated. So I went ahead, got a bunch of these different braces in, you can see across there. And up here, I can literally, I jacked it up so it was bowed the opposite way. Put this in, and I can literally hang off that now. And it's not moving. It's bowed up about 3 inches here in the middle. I'm sure that'll settle up over time, but I'd say that's pretty good. It's not moving at all. Up there, got two 2x4s, 16-foot long type of deal, butted up on either end type of deal, opposite side. And then on this way, 2 of them. And I got one going this way, and then going down to here, and then I got one going across, joined over there. But yeah, I can't mill quite that long. I don't want to try to slide the log on the mill or whatever, so that's what I can do for now. Seems to be working okay. But yeah. So yeah. This is good and sturdy. As you guys can see, doesn't move up or down. I'm 205 pounds, 210 pounds, and yeah, that's not moving. So I'd say that's pretty good. Hopefully she'll hold some snow and run the water. Hey everyone, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Yeah, we'll probably do a part 2 or something like that, but well, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, help us out a lot, and until next time, have a good one.
See you later.